Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp account without a phone number. So firstly what you have to do is just simply download an application from Play Store called NextPlus, which you can see right over here. Then after downloading the application, just simply open the application. Then just simply click on Get Started. Then give all the necessary permissions. And then just simply create an account with using Google, Apple, Microsoft or Yahoo, whichever you may prefer. Then just simply choose one of them. Then just simply create an account with a Gmail ID or any different ID you may prefer. Then again it will ask for few permissions, just simply allow them. Now over here just simply click on add email address. Now enter the same email address that you chose to log in. Then click continue. Now it will send a verification code to that email, so just simply go and check. So as you can see, I've got the email and the code is right over here, which is 4235. So I'll just simply enter that. Then just simply press OK. Now this is the important part. Over here just simply click on select your area state and choose any state, for example Florida. Then press OK. Now select your area code. Choose any of the code given over here. Let's go with 305. Then press OK. Then just simply click on get a custom number. So as you can see now, I got a number which is 305, 396 and 3846. So now what you have to do is just simply click on not now. And just simply close this pop-up window. Now if you click at the three lines at the top right corner, you will see that you will have the number right over there. And now after you're done with generating a number, just simply go back to your home screen. Click on WhatsApp. Click on agree and continue. Now over here, just simply remove the state code number over here like this. And then just simply hold the number over here and it will get copied. Now just simply go back to WhatsApp and paste the number over here. And remove all the brackets and dash from the number and also the spaces between numbers. Enter the area code as well. You can see over here it is +1. So just enter that. Then press next. So as you can see, it detected my number. Now just simply press OK. Now it will say that it was unable to send a SMS to this number. So just simply click on OK. Now after that, just simply click on did not receive code. Now over here you will be given a number of options, like for me it is 1 hour. It might be 4 minutes for you as well. So just simply wait out. You have to choose call me option over here. So whatever time is shown for you, just simply wait for it. So after waiting, when you get the call me option, just simply click on that. Now just simply accept the call. Give the permissions.
Your verification code is 251883.
So after hearing the verification code, just simply enter that. And after that you are complete. Now you can use WhatsApp without a phone number. Just simply enter a number and name and it will start initializing and your WhatsApp is done. So that's it. That's how you can create a WhatsApp account without your phone number. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.